class 3 students. Hope you all are fine and doing your work properly. So yesterday we met live, and in the live session we had done with the question answer session. That was just a revision of the chapter number 12 and 11. Today, as you all know, our chapter number 13 is going on, that is work we do. We have read the chapter and also the book work is completed. So today we will be starting with the notebook work. So everyone, just keep your notebook with you and your stationery items with you and start writing with me, and welcome back to our EVS session. So firstly, before starting the notebook work, I want to explain the password of the day. So what is the password of the day? Password of the day is provide. So what is the meaning of provide? Provide means to give someone something. किसी को कुछ देना, that is meaning of provide. Okay, so to give something to somebody, that is provide. Okay, P-R-O-V-I-D, provide. Now we are starting with the keywords. Today we will do keywords and very short question answers. Okay, so everyone, just open your notebooks and start writing with me. Here you will write the date. Date is 27th of October 2020. 27th of October 2020. And here you will write classwork and make the heading of chapter number 13, that is work we do. Lesson number 13, work we do. So after that you have to make a heading of keywords. So this, here we are starting with the first keyword. Okay, so first keyword is COMFORTABLE. What is it? This is comfortable. This is comfortable. Write it fast, then I will be telling you the meaning. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. Okay, now what is the meaning of comfortable? Comfortable means which makes you, that thing which makes you feel very physically relaxed. If you are physically relaxed from your body, there is no pain, no need to any, मतलब कोई भी pain नहीं हो रहा है और बिल्कुल relax है our body, that time that word is used as comfortable. Comfortable means that thing which makes us physically relaxed. Okay, so this is comfortable is the first keyword. Then second is withdraw. What is the meaning of withdraw? I told you before also, it was our password also. Withdraw means to take away something or to remove it from that place. Anything remove kar dena, that is the withdraw, or to take away. Withdraw, WITHDRAW, withdraw. Then next is maintain. Maintain means, firstly write the spelling MAINTAIN, maintain. So what is the meaning of maintain? Maintain is to keep something in good condition. Like if you are having your notebooks, you have to maintain your notebook, means आपको notebooks को अच्छी condition में रखना है. You have anything, you have toys, you have stationery items, everything, just keep it maintained. Okay, so this is the maintain. Maintain means keep something in the good conditions, or if somebody is taking that should be properly clean or should be maintained. Okay, next is grocery. So I told you about the grocery. Grocery are the grocer's shop. Okay, and the items of food sold in a shop, in a grocery, दैट इज द ग्रोसरी. ओके, किसी शॉप पर जो भी फूड आइटम सेल हो रही हैं, दैट प्लेस इज ग्रोसरी एंड दोस थिंग्स आर ग्रोसरी. दैट प्लेस इज ग्रोसरी शॉप एंड दोस थिंग्स आर ग्रोसरी. GROCERY, grocery. First was comfortable, second withdraw, third maintain, fourth grocery. Next is rescue. Rescue, what is the meaning of rescue? To save something or somebody. किसी चीज को बचाना या किसी पर्सन को बचाना. To save somebody or to save something. This is the meaning of rescue. Okay, RESCUE, rescue. Yes. Next is merchant. Merchant is a person who sell the things, whose job is to buy and sell the things. उसका काम क्या होता है merchant का? Merchant is a person whose job is to sell and buy the things. चीजों को खरीदना और बेचना. This is the work of a merchant. MERCHANT, merchant. Now next is household. So what is the meaning of household? It was also a password. Household means, yes, what is the meaning of household? I think all of you know the answer. Yeah, household is the work of home. Like we are helping our elders in every work. That is the household work. Okay, so write it. Seventh keyword, household. And the last one is the same as today's password, that is provide. Provide means to give something to somebody. Okay, so these are the 8 keywords. Again, I am repeating it. First is the comfortable, withdraw, maintain, grocery, rescue, merchant, household and provide. Okay, now after this, let's start with the very short question answer. Very short question answer. Here we are starting with the first very short question answer. Firstly, make this heading and write here, name any 2 people who work to entertain us. Who work to entertain us. We have to write any 2 names of the people who work to entertain us. जो हमें entertain करते हैं. We have to write the name of them. Okay, so let's write it. Firstly, write the question. Name any 2 people who work to entertain us. Okay, so first one is I am writing here dancer. So everyone watch the reality shows. तो हम वहाँ पर डांस देखते हैं सबका and we enjoyed a lot that. And also musician, singer, joker. So you can write any 2 of them. Dancer, musician, singer, joker. So these are the people who work to entertain us. जो हमें entertain करते हैं. We listen songs when we are getting bored, right? We do dance when we are getting bored. That's it. So this is about the dancer, musician, singer and joker. Okay. Then after that we will do second question. is name two important places in your neighborhood. जो आपके नेबर में प्लेसेस हैं उनमें से कोई भी टू हमें बतानी है, which are very important. Name two important places in your neighborhood. Okay. So as I told you about many places which are in our neighborhood, like bank, and I told you about the post office, hospitals. These are the places which are near to our houses and which are in our neighborhood. So we have to write any two places. Okay. So first is we can write bank. We can save our money and jewelry there. Right. Then next is we can write a bank, a hospital, a bank, a hospital, a post office, a police station, etc. So you can write any two of them. So name two important places in your neighborhood: a bank, a hospital, a post office, a police station, etc. Okay, so after that we will be doing one short question answer also. Write it fast. Okay, so everyone here make next heading, that is short question answers. Today we will do only one short question answer because the questions are very small, right? So first question is, what is a bank? What is a bank? So here I am asking about the bank, and in exam I can ask about the post office also, police station also. So everything you should be, means आपको अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए. I will be adding these questions in the worksheet also, and worksheet I will be giving you on Wednesday, like tomorrow I will be giving you. So what is a bank? Write the answer here. Yeah, so bank is a place. A bank is a place where, write it in good handwriting. A bank is a place where we keep our money and jewelry, where we keep our money and jewelry for safety. Safety means safe रखने के लिए हम लोग अपना money और jewelry कहाँ रखते हैं? In the banks. At home we cannot keep them because it is very risky. Thieves can come and take away all the things. So we just keep our money and jewelry for safety in the bank. Again, what is a bank? A bank is a place where we keep our money and jewelry for safety. So students, write it fast, and after that I will be telling you the homework. Hope you all have done. So that is all for today's session, and the homework for today is, you have to learn bookwork of lesson number 12. This is your homework. You have to learn bookwork of lesson number 12. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope you all have done it in your notebooks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.